Hello students, welcome back to the MySQL series. We were discussing about the select commands in the previous videos. In this video also, we are discussing about the select command subclause like. Like subclause is used when we want to search the records based on a pattern. We don't know the exact value, we have only the vague idea about the values. Based on that, we want to search the records of a table. In that purpose, we can use this like clause. Let's see. Before getting into the like clause, we first need to know the wildcard characters. We have two wildcard characters. One is percentage and second is underscore. Underscore means shift and hyphen. When you plus that, you will get the underscore. Percentage represents 0 or more characters. 0 or more characters means it may be 5 or 10 or 1000 characters, or it may be simply no characters. So 0 or more characters can be represented using this percentage. And second one, underscore. Underscore represents a single character. Single character. Any character, but only one. Let's see some example. Suppose we want to display the students' details who have names starting with G, whose name starts with G and ending with B. So, the names must start with G and ends with B. That is the only information we have. With that, we want to search the records. So, look at the query I have given. Select start from student where name like. Like clause is searching based on pattern. So you have to tell a pattern after the like clause. So here how we form the pattern. The pattern must be enclosed within single quotes or double quotes. It's a string. And using this wildcard characters percentage or underscore, you can form the pattern. Here in the question, it is mentioned as it must start with G. So first letter, it is G. And one more condition it is given, ending with B. So last it will be B. In between any number of characters can be there. So any number of characters is represented by the percentage sign. So I have used this pattern G percentage B in this question. Then in this way, using the underscore or percentage, you can form the pattern. I will explain about the pattern. Before that, just the opposite of this thing can be get using the not like clause. If you want just the opposite of this, just use not before that. In the same case of like not between, you can use not like also. Now let's see the patterns. Let's see some examples related to the patterns. Look at this pattern. What is the meaning of this? M percentage. The meaning is first letter must be A, second letter M, and after that any number of characters. That is the meaning. So this means any string starting with AM. That is the meaning. Starting must be AM. After that any characters. Now look at this one. Percentage sing percentage. So percentage means 0 or more characters. So at the end or in the beginning, anywhere you can have any number of characters, but in between or it must contain this string. That is the meaning. Any string containing string, that is the meaning. Now percentage A. Percentage means any number of characters. So any number of characters at the front, but at the end A. That means the string must end with A. Ending with A. Now look at the next one. Within the single quotes, 3 underscores. The meaning is underscore represents a single character. So how many underscores are there? 1, 2, 3. So This means that whatever may be the string, that must be of exactly 3 characters long. There must be 3 characters. That is the meaning of this. Now let's see underscore underscore percentage. So underscore means a character. So here 2 underscores. So 2 characters and then 0 or more characters. Percentage. So the meaning is the string must have at least 2 characters. It's a must thing. Underscore means must thing. So at least 2 characters. Any character can be there. Characters can be there, but only 2. Here underscore 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 G. Last must be G. Before that 3. That means it must be a how many length, the length of the word must be 4. Last letter definitely G. That is the meaning. Any string that is 4 characters long with any 3 characters in the beginning, but G must be the 4th character. Now let's see some examples based on our library table. This library table contains book number, title, publishers, author, date of publication, price and number of copies. So based on this table, have 6 records also. Based on this table, let's have some questions related to like. Using the like clause, like operator, let's find out some questions. The first question is, display the book number, title and author for all the books of C++. The books must be of C++. Look at the title. In some title there is C++. So if you want to find out the books of C++, the title must contain C++. That is the criteria. So how we can form that using the like clause? Let's see that. When we look at the question, we want to display the book number, title and author. So select book number, book title, author from library, and here title must contain C++. So how we can say that? Where book title like it must contain C++. So before that anything, mastering C++ or C++ programming, mastering C++, something before the C++ and C++ programming language, it is after the C++ something. So to mention that, percentage C++ percentage can be used. Let's execute this query. So this is our table. I have already entered the table and we have 6 records also. Let's execute the command using the like clause. See, mastering C++. There is only one book of C++. So that is displayed here. So it must contain C++ can be given in this way. Now let's look at the 23rd question. Display the books of authors whose name ends with A. Authors' names ends with A. Authors' names, that is this column, ends with A, which is Rita Ahuja, then Saxena. These 2 names are ending. We must get that as the output. Okay, so let's see how we can form the query. So we need to display the book of authors. So let's display the book title. Select book title from library, where author like the last letter must be A. So that can be mentioned by percentage A. So this is how we form the query. Let's execute that. Like percentage A. See, 2 books, Learn MS Office and IT Laws. Let's see who is the author of these 2 books. Learn MS Office, IT Laws. Learn MS Office, Rita Ahuja, and IT Laws, Surendra Saxena. So that is the 2 books what we want. Now let's look at the 24th question. Display the title and book price of all the books for which the title contains ing. The title contains ing. So here title contains ing. That means it must contain the ing. Let's find out the query for this. Select book title price from library where book title like contains ing. So you can simply mention as percentage ing percentage. So let's execute this command. See, mastering contains ing, mastering contains ing, auditing that also contains ing. So this is the query used for getting the words having ing. So let's continue our questions. Display the books with which title does not contain FOR. Titles does not contain. Does not contain means it must not contain. That means not likely to be applied. So let's see the query for this. Does not contain. So you can use select book title from library where book title not like contains FOR. That means percentage FOR percentage. So let's execute the query. Does not containing FOR. There are 4 books. All these names does not contain this FOR. Now, next question. Display the book number, title and book price for all the books for which title contains R as the second last character. That is, second last character must be R. Second last character. So, how we can specify that? Second last character. So, select book number, title, price from library, where book title like second last character. That means there must be a character at the last and second last character, that is R. Then before that anything. So percentage R underscore can be used to represent that second last character as R. Let's execute the query. See, beginners. The N character is S and second last is R. So this is the correct query. So in this way, you can do in whatever way you like. If you have only a vague idea about the answer, with that also you can search the records. That's all about the like clause. So this like clause can be used to search based on a pattern. Pattern can be formed using the wildcard characters. 2 wildcard characters we have, percentage and underscore. Percentage represents 0 or more characters. Then underscore represents single character, a character. So based on this wildcard characters, we can form the pattern, and that pattern can be applied to the like clause to get the result. And if you just want the opposite of the like clause, you can apply the word not before the like. Not like also can be used. That's all in this video. Thank you.